Hi, welcome to Srimata Education. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the most expected multiple choice questions for the SSLC students, and also this video can be useful for the all the competitive exams also. So in this lesson, what type of questions they may ask in the public examination and also some other competitive exams. Now, about Constantinople only, we can expect few questions. So, what are the questions? In which year Constantinople was captured? In the year 1453. See one question. 1453 Constantinople was captured. Who captured Constantinople? Ottoman Turks. Ottoman Turks. It is the second question. We ask about the few different types of questions about Constantinople. See, one is there in which year? 1453. Secondly, who captured, and which is the gateway of European trade? Which is the gateway of European trade? Gateway of European trade. See, Constantinople is the gateway of European trade. Again, one more option is there. Why the Constantinople is called as the gateway of European trade? Because it is a center. It is a center for international trade, international business, or international trade. There, next one, the Portuguese. About Portuguese, what type of questions we can expect? The first one is there, which European country arrived first and last to leave? Last to leave. See, arrived first. Which European country arrived first? Which European country? Portuguese only. They left India last. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಅವರೇ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಸಮೇತ ಯಾರು? ಪೋರ್ಚುಗೀಸ್ ಅವರು. ನಾವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಪೋರ್ಚುಗೀಸ್, ದ ಪೋರ್ಚುಗೀಸ್ ವಾಸ್ಕೋ ಡ ಗಾಮಾ. ವಿಚ್ ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ ಸೈಲರ್ ಆರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯುರೋಪಿಯನ್ ಸೈಲರ್ he reached India? Means Vasco da Gama. Who reached India first? Vasco da Gama. See, Vasco da Gama, the Portuguese sailor. Portuguese sailor, he entered India first through from the sea route. And about Vasco da Gama, here we have few questions. In which year he reached India? 1498. 1498 he reached India. Another one is there, where he reached. So in India he reached Kappadu. He reached to Kappadu near Calicut. Near to the Calicut. So Vasco da Gama, the first sailor to reach India, in which year? 1498. And for which place? Kappadu, near to the Calicut. See, next. Who introduced the Blue Water Policy? Who introduced the Blue Water Policy? Blue Water Policy. Blue Water Policy. Who introduced Blue Water Policy? Alfonso Almeida. Alfonso Almeida. Who introduced this one? Alfonso Almeida. Alfonso Almeida introduced the Blue Water Policy. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of Blue Water Policy? Getting supremacy over the sea. Getting the supremacy over the sea. They can give the options like getting supremacy over the land, getting supremacy over the sea, and different types of options they may ask. So answer is there, getting supremacy, control or power in the over the sea. That is called Blue Water Policy. Now, who was the real founder of the Portuguese? We can answer about the Albuquerque. See, Albuquerque, he captured Goa. Who captured Goa? Who captured Goa, and in the which year? 1510. 1510 from Bijapur Sultans. Bijapur Sultans. Bijapur Sultans. He made a capital as a Goa as a capital of the Portuguese. Question you can see, in which year Dutch East India Company established? There is a four options are given: 1600, 1602, 1664 and 1510. So all the four options also they have some significance. So we can go for every option we want to answer. See, first option it is there. So we are already said it was the Portuguese Albuquerque captured Goa in 1510. In 1664, French East India Company established. French East India Company established in 1664. In 1600, the British East India Company. British East India Company established. The right answer for this question, 1602, Dutch East India Company was established. Next question, the which Mughal king given the dastaks to the Britishers? So which king? The right answer is Farooq Shiara. Farooq Shiara. So what dastaks means? It is a free trading pass. Free trade pass. Dastak means what? Free trade pass. See, the Mughal king Farooq Shiara issued the dastaks to the Britishers. So what about the Jahangir? So Jahangir is given a permission to the Britishers to establish the trading center. Jahangir given a permission to the Britishers to establish the trading center in a place called Surat. Surat is the first trading center for the Britishers. Which was the first trading center for the Britishers? Surat. And who gave this permission? Jahangir. Jahangir gave the permission to the Britishers to establish trading center in the Surat. Next question, where the St. George Fort constructed? The four options given: Kolkata, Mumbai, Madras and Hyderabad. Say, these three are the major trading centers, for the Britishers. Kolkata, Mumbai and Madras. Three places St. George Fort was constructed. The answer is Madras. In Madras, St. George Fort was constructed. In Kolkata, one more important fort was constructed. That is called Fort William. Fort William was constructed in the place called Kolkata. Next question, in which year the Plassey War was took place? See, four options given. See every option we can expect the one more question in the examination point of view. See, first one, see, we are all know in 1498, what is the importance? Vasco da Gama reached India. Next one is the 1765. The dual government was introduced by the Robert Clive in Bengal. Dual government was introduced by Robert Clive in 1765. So what is the 1764? The Buxar War. The Buxar War took place in 1764. And the right answer for this question, 1757. The Plassey War was took place in the year 1757. This is about the most expected multiple choice questions from the advent of Europeans to India. So I hope this video will be useful for all of you. And if you like this video, please subscribe our channel Sri Mata Education. In next video, I will come with another lesson with a few more important expected multiple choice questions.